get it or miss it.
Yep.
Right? And, that's how you fell into this, so to speak, right?
Yep.
Or it found you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and,
Justin Couch,
Hi,
I'm from
Justin.
Akron, Ohio, just south of you. But, I have, only cleaned my own carpets with a rug doctor, you know?
okay,
I'm not a professional carpet cleaner or anything like that, I'm
Okay.
in a completely different line of work, but I travel for work so much. I have 4 kids at home under the age of 10, and I'm also a pastor, and I wanna be home with my family and be more involved in the ministries of the church, and so, time for a change, and I was trying to figure out a service-related business that I could kind of work a schedule, and, I kept coming back to this, so I started searching on Facebook and searching online, and that's how I found my way here today.
wow.
So I'm just figuring
Very
out if I even
exciting.
wanna do this business or not.
I get it.